Want to turn your messy thoughts into a beautiful, organized mind map in just one click? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using Boardmix AI. Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever struggled to brainstorm, organize your projects, or collaborate with your team, you know how messy things can get. Enter Boardmix, an AI-powered online collaborative whiteboard designed to bring your ideas to life. Whether you need a mind map, a flowchart, or a full project roadmap, this tool uses built-in AI to do the heavy lifting for you. Best of all, they have a free version you can sign up for right now to follow along. Let's dive into how easy it is to create an AI mind map. Once you log into your free Boardmix account, you'll be greeted by an infinite canvas. To start, you can either grab a pre-made template or let the AI do the work. Simply activate the Boardmix AI assistant, type in your main topic or prompt, like Marketing Strategy for 2026, and watch as the AI instantly generates a fully structured mind map. The magic of Boardmix is that it's completely flexible. You can select any node on your map and use the AI to expand your ideas, reformat the layout, or even draft supporting documents right there on the canvas without ever switching tabs. But Boardmix isn't just for solo brainstorming, it's built for teamwork. It supports real-time collaboration for up to 500 people simultaneously. You can easily communicate with your team using mentions, comments, and emojis. Beyond mind maps, the platform also features AI art generation, automated presentations, flowcharts, and seamless integrations with your existing work tools to keep your workflow streamlined. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Boardmix is incredibly versatile, combining whiteboard tools, diagrams, and AI features in one place. It's also very accessible, offering a free tier and lifetime plan starting at just $99 per seat if you decide to upgrade your team. As for the cons, while Boardmix claims over 5 million users worldwide, independent user reviews in our database are currently limited. This means we don't have a massive pool of third-party feedback to share regarding long-term bugs or specific user complaints. However, because they offer a robust free sign-up, the best way to see if it fits your workflow is to try it out yourself risk-free. Overall, Boardmix is a powerful, highly visual tool that makes AI mind mapping and team collaboration incredibly simple. If you want to boost your productivity and start visualizing your ideas faster, head over to boardmix.com and sign up for free today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI mind mapping in your workflow. See you in the next video.